should as well live a decent life. And here he is. He's paying for the wicked act he has done. You can go have your daughter. She will live. You should now welcome your new king.
Whoever wishes to die a decent death must live a decent life. And so that's how Ajanaku ended. Ladies and gentlemen, and that is the end of the play. Once Upon an Elephant. Can you put your hands together for them?